Chamber of Reflection by Mac Demarco. Let's not waste any time. It starts on an A minor 7. You can play it with a bar chord like this, or you can play it like this to get rid of that bar chord. Then from that A minor 7, it's going to go up to a B minor 7. You could use the same exact shape that you are comfortable with. You're just going to move it a whole step up to the 7th fret. Then we're going to go to a C major 7. Don't worry, it's not a bar chord. It looks like this. There you go. You already have the first part of the chord progression down. You're just going to do 4 down strums on those and with a little up strum in between. Stay on the C major 7 twice as long as you do for the A minor 7 and the B minor 7. Then for the second part of the chord progression, we're going to do that same exact thing with the A minor 7 to the B minor 7. But then instead of going to a C major 7, we're going to go to an E minor 7. All right, so that second part would sound like this. So putting both parts of those together to get the full chord progression. And that's the chord progression for Chamber of Reflection, but I am going to show you how to play the lead part as well. The little... So here's how we play that lead part. Starting on the bottom string at the 15th fret, we're going to go 15, 12, down to 7. So that'd be 15, 12, 7. And if you want to add a little bit of a flair to it, you can actually go down to 6 and quickly slide on to the 7. But you don't have to do that. It's just an optional thing to make it sound a little bit better. Then from the 7, we're going to do this. And what I'm doing there is I'm hammering onto the 8, pulling off, and then going on to the 10th of the B string. So then both of those parts together would be 15, 12, 7, hammer on 8 to 10 on the B. Then going from that 10 on the B, we're going to go back to the 7 on the E string, and we're going to go like this. All right, so that's going 7, 8, 10, back to 7. All right, so going kind of from the hammer on part, it would be... So then going from that 7, 8, 10, back to 7, then we're going to move up to 7 on the B string. We'll pick it again, and then we'll pick it one more time, doing a little hammer on the 8. And then we'll go up one more string and go to the 9th on that G string. So going from that hammer on, it would be... All right, so kind of that full part together would be... Again, 7, 8, 10, 7, 7, 7, hammer on 9. And then almost done here, going from the 9 on that G string, we'll go to 7, and we'll do kind of like a hammer on onto the 9. And then we'll land on the 9 of the D string. And what I do is I use my ring finger, and then I use my middle finger to go to the D string. Okay, so going from the hammer on that B string would be... And then from there, the whole thing starts over again. And that there is how you play both the chords and the lead part to Chamber of Reflection by Mac Demarco. It's a lot of words to say.